Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I will demonstrate how to create frames for YouTube Shorts and Reels using CapCut. Additionally, you will learn how to embed a video within a frame. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. I have imported two solid color images, a logo and a video. I have added the green screen solid to the timeline and set the duration to 10 seconds. Set the ratio of the screen to 9:16. For Shorts and Reels, you have to maintain screen ratio 9:16. Increase the size of the green screen, make it full screen. Add the yellow color image to the timeline. Increase the size of the image. Add the rectangle mask to the yellow image. Change the size and position of the mask accordingly. Increase the value of the round corner to 10. Add the green image again to the timeline. Increase the size of the green screen as I have shown. Add the rectangle mask and change the size and position. The green screen must be placed in the middle of the yellow screen. The frame should look like this. Select all the images and create a compound clip. I have moved the compound clip to the above video track. Add a video to the timeline and adjust the duration. Go to the cutout and enable the chroma key. Use the color picker to remove the green color. Lock the compound clip. Go to the Basic tab and select the Canvas tab Blur. You can select any one from the 4 blur options. Now increase the size of the video. If you play the video, you will notice that the video is going out of the frame at some point. I positioned the playhead at the starting point. At this point, add a keyframe to the position. Forward the playhead and find the position where the main object is moving out of the frame. Set the position of the video to the center of the frame. Continue the same task till the end of the video. Play the video. I think the position of the video is perfectly inside the frame. Add the rectangle mask to the video. Change the size and position of the mask. If I play the video, you will see that at some points, mask is going out of the frame. To resolve this issue, we have to use the same technique we applied in the position of the video. Keep the playhead at the starting point and add a keyframe to the mask position. Forward the playhead at the second keyframe position. Keep the mask inside the frame. Continue the same task till the end of the video. If you play the video, it looks like this. I have added a logo and set it on the top left border. I have added a text beside the logo. Change the font type and color of the text. Now I have added some text to frame footer. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.